Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn about dry fruits. We will see their shapes, what they look like, and also learn their benefits, so you can remember them easily. Let's start together.
Hello kids, come sing with me. Let's learn dry fruits A to Z. This is Almond 88. It looks like a little eye, makes us sharp and helps us try. This is Cashew Dre. It looks like the moon at night, gives us energy, keeps us bright. This is walnut shade. It looks like a human brain, helps our memory again. This is pistachio. It looks like a tiny seed, gives us strength for every need. This is hazelnut Sean. It looks round just like a ball, healthy snack for one and all. Dry fruits, tasty and sweet, healthy snacks for us to eat. Strong and smart, they make us grow. Dry fruits power, don't you know? This is Brazil nut shed. It looks like a big stone, makes our bones strong as shown. This is macadamia. It looks like a white pearl, healthy choice for every boy and girl. This is pine nut shed. It looks like rice so small, gives us energy most of all. This is pecan shed. It looks like a curly shell, keeps our heart healthy and well. This is raisin head. It looks like a tiny bead, gives us sugar when we need. This is fig and shed. It looks like a tiny pouch, helps digestion on the couch. This is apricot shed. Looks like a golden ball, full of vitamins for all. This is date rain. It looks like a brown seed, gives us energy indeed. This is prune net. It looks like a wrinkled plum, good for tummy, yum yum yum. This is cranberry bud. It looks like a ruby stone, makes us healthy, skin will glow. This is blueberry herb. It looks like a marble blue, full of vitamins, good for you. This is cherry bay. It looks like a red balloon, sweet and tasty afternoon. This is mulberry may. It looks like a purple worm, gives us power, keeps us firm. This is kiwi shade. It looks like a green coin, keeps us fresh in every joint. This is mango shown. It looks like a yellow sun, healthy snack for everyone. Dry fruits help us every day. Eat them kids in a happy way. Strong and healthy we will be. Dry fruits are good for you and me.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.